Hi Wonder Beauties, it's Danielle Lewis, Global Brand Educator, and today we're going to talk all about our complexion and skincare bundles. Our Ready Set Radiant Duo contains our Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil and our Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Start by prepping the skin with our Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It contains skincare-grade pearls that brighten skin immediately and niacinamide that brightens skin over time. Put a few drops in the palm of your hand, warm them, and then press them onto your face for all over radiance. What I love most about this duo is that the formulas work so well together. So you can actually mix a few drops of our Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil with our Nude Illusion Liquid and create a gorgeous tinted serum effect. After you've applied your foundation, you can go in with a few drops of our Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil on the high points of the face to really boost the radiance. Customize your coverage with our Ready Set Radiant Duo. Add more Glow Ahead for a tinted serum finish or less for fuller coverage. Either way, this duo boosts your radiance and gives you a flawless finish.